Today I'm taking a look at this emergency fire blanket here. This can be used for several different things, whether it's fires you want to put out, like a campfire. If somebody's on fire, their clothes are on fire, you can use it for that. The instructions are right on here. It does say this is a one-time use, and when you put it on here, you leave it until it's cool, and then you can remove it. But this is something good to have in your house, or if you go camping, something like that in your vehicle. And if you need it in an emergency, you certainly have it handy. You would normally hook this on something on the wall. I just got it hooked here temporarily just to demonstrate it. You have these two black straps right here. You're just going to pull these straps down and then apply it over the fire and make sure it's tight as you can around it, and then you just leave it. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that today, and hopefully you can see what this thing can do. I can see already that the flames were knocked down. I'm just trying to get it in there a little bit tighter. So basically what this does is it's starving it from oxygen, and it's going to put that fire out. Now this fell down, but that's okay. And then you're just going to leave this until that fire is completely out and this mat is cold to touch. And then you can remove it. That way it won't flare up or anything like that. Now this company was nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and show you a little bit about it and how it works. And I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. So definitely something good to have in an emergency situation. Hopefully you never need it, but it's one of those things you're glad if you have it and you don't need it, or you're glad you have it if you need it, and you'd be upset if you need it and you don't have it. Like I said, they were nice enough to send this out to me, so I want to thank them for that, and I hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this is right for you. But 2 thumbs up for me. One of these things you hope you never use, but good to have around just in case.